Hello mga ka-buy and sell, welcome po sa aming YouTube channel. Panoorin ang mga segunda manong sasakyan. Baka may magustuhan at swak sa iyong bulsa. Please support and subscribe na din po ka-BAS. 2018 model Nissan Juke N-Style, 1.6-liter turbo gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 35,000 kilometers mileage, well-maintained, original documents, LTO verified, good condition, ending plate 3, all stock, all original, push start, keyless entry, cruise control, back camera, dual airbag, leather seats, cash price, 628,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing, for financing, all-in down payment, 125,600 pesos, plus chattel mortgage and comprehensive insurance. / 2016 model Hyundai Tucson GLS, 2.0-liter CRDI diesel engine, automatic transmission, 62,000 kilometers mileage, original documents, LTO verified, top condition, ending plate 7, Tiptronic, all stock, all original, dual airbag, touchscreen head unit, power seat, cash price, 698,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing, for financing, all-in down payment, 139,600 pesos, plus chattel mortgage and comprehensive insurance. / 2021 model Suzuki Dzire GL, 1.2-liter gasoline engine, manual transmission, 25,000 kilometers mileage, first owned, well-maintained, pristine condition, ending plate 4, all power, fuel efficient, dual airbag, very cool aircon, color, black, cash price, 398,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing, for financing, all-in down payment, 79,600 pesos, plus chattel mortgage and comprehensive insurance. 2024 model Nissan Livina VE, 1.5-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 3,000 kilometers mileage, plate number already available, original documents, first owned, LTO verified, almost new condition, 7-seater MPV, ending plate 3, all power, all stock, all original, dual airbag, 7-inch touchscreen display, cash price, 898,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing, all-in down payment, 179,600 pesos, plus chattel mortgage and comprehensive insurance. (2023 model Suzuki S-presso GL, 1.0-liter gasoline engine, manual transmission, 7,500 kilometers mileage, first owner, casa maintained with records, ending plate 6, dual airbag, 7-inch touchscreen display, owner's manual, SRS airbag, all stock, all original, cash price, 448,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing, all-in down payment, 134,400 pesos, plus chattel mortgage and comprehensive insurance. (2023 model Suzuki APV GLX, 1.6-liter gasoline engine, manual transmission, 1,300 kilometers mileage, first owner, well-maintained, 7-seater MPV, ending plate 4, all stock, all original, dual airbag, touchscreen display, cash price, 658,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing, all-in down payment, 131,600 pesos, plus chattel mortgage and comprehensive insurance. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe para ma-update po kayo lagi. Visit sa website for more for sale.